Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription. First up, head over to chatgpt.com and make sure you're logged in with the account you want to cancel. Next, click on your user profile located in the bottom left corner of the browser window. From there, go ahead and select Settings. Inside Settings, click on the Account tab. You'll see the details of your current plan right here. Now, simply click on the Manage button and select Cancel Subscription. A pop-up window will appear letting you know your subscription will be canceled, but you can still keep using it until the end of your current billing cycle. Go ahead and hit Cancel Subscription one more time to confirm. Once confirmed, you'll see a notification saying your subscription has been canceled. This means your ChatGPT subscription is officially stopped. Now, if you click the Manage button again, you'll see an option to Renew Plus Plan, just in case you change your mind. Otherwise, you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like for the channel. Catch you in the next video.